Hi, how are you?
I'm not bad, thanks. How are you
Good.
doing?
No bad, man. Just sitting, chilling. Doncaster looks rough as fuck, doesn't it?
I
You
know,
see,
bro. I know. I did. Aye. Was
all
that
these
when he in
on it.
Ballymure? Eh? Aye.
Aye, the movement done,
But
mate.
hey, listen, just go to Glasgow and you're getting me rough as.
No, if you go to Govan Hall, it's the shit. It was all full of Eastern Europe.
Aye.
See
Glasgow's
when I,
a nuthouse, mate.
see when I grew up, mate, right? It was a fucking brilliant area. And then, see
Was
now,
that?
and now it's just Eastern Europeans, man. And
What did you grow up, Masters?
Govan Hall, it's so
I
size.
remember you saying, talking about it. I just couldn't remember there, eh? Was it Govan Hill?
They ruined it, mate. Nicola Sturgeon ruined it.
Aye, bitch, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I don't mean in case she's a bitch or fuck over it, man.
I was like, what the fuck?
I
And
know, shit. I know.
she moved in all
Did you,
Eastern.
did you grow up in the era when it was all gang fighting and
Aye,
areas and stuff, aye?
it was mental when I
Because
grew
I
up.
always remember my Shelley, right, my co-pilot, he always told me they cut about with knives, you know?
Aye.
And like, I always used to say, I sort the things out with a pagger, a square go. He was like, no, man, you've got to fucking make sure they know who you fuck with, basically, eh?
No, I'm telling you,
I.e.
right,
I.e. Scarlet cunt, I.e. Scarlet cunt, you know?
I've lost two knives, man. It's fucking
Aye,
amazing.
man. So you kind of grew up in that era, didn't you?
Aye, it's double figures, man.
Aye. That
Double
must have
figures.
been rough, though, eh? That must have been rough, mate.
It's not that. See, when you get older, right? It's the trauma. I think them back, man.
Aye, yeah. It's
Your mate.
PTSD, innit?
Aye.
Fuck you up, bro.
I know, and see, sometimes, like, when I'm talking to people, like, it
Aye.
sounds like dead aggressive and that, but I don't mean it. It's because
Aye.
it's
Aye,
years.
you're taking it all the wrong way. Aye.
Aye.
But that's PTSD, bro. That's just the way you've grew up, mate. You know,
Trauma.
that's the way you've grew up, son. Hey, listen, there's no
Fully.
many countries that hack that growing up, you know?
I know.
There's no.
But I'm
So,
still here. You know what I mean?
you're
And man,
still, listen, at least you can say that. You're still fucking here, mate.
aye, bro. And there's no many,
You
man.
know? You grew up in one of the eras and you're still fucking here, you know?
And intravenous used. You know what I mean?
Aye,
So,
man. Well, look at that movie, The Wee Man, right? With Paul
aye.
Ferris
Aye.
and how he grew up bullied, but he
That's
just come out with it. Do you know what I mean? That was Glasgow, wasn't it? That
that's
was Glasgow.
see that story. It's the same
Aye.
story. See, that's the same story for any Glasgow boy growing up.
Oh, of course it is, bro. That's what I mean. That's
Not
what
even
I'm trying to say. Aye.
just Glasgow. Fucking anywhere in the west of Scotland. That's it.
Absolutely. Well,
Aye.
put it this way, Edinburgh wasn't like that. Falkirk wasn't like that. We all folk were fish. You folk be fucking nigs, bro.
I know, man. It was bad, mate.
Like, that's a scarier kind of world than what we grew up in, you know what I mean?
Worse, it's fucking, mate. See if you see Mary Hill, post and all that. Cunts get shot in the street, mate.
Absolutely, bro.
Hoisting
I've
all
heard
that.
it all, mate. I've heard it all. I've heard about cunts going about chopping cunts up with machetes and fucking this and that.
It's nuts, mate.
Madness, mate. Madness. Us Falkirk boys have never loved that. We were always just fighting each other, paggers. And we never broke out the blaze, bro, eh? But I got a nerve when I was with Cash, my co-pilot, and he goes, how do you sort things out? I said, just a wee pagger. Yeah, a fight and that shit. He's like, no, man. See, if you really hate some cunt, you want to make sure they remember who the fuck you are. I was like, what do you mean? He's like, you fucking, you cut that cunt, man. You cut that cunt. You know?
But I don't I hate fight. I try not.
Oh, listen, it's Scotland, mate. This is just the way. Well, obviously, Falkirk and Edinburgh, but we've not been like that. Glasgow's like that, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's Camden now, but London now. London's
That's Camden, mate.
We have somebody. We have a guest bit there. I put the banner up 2 seconds, brother.
Yeah, boss, son.
Who's Faith?
Not got a clue. Somebody going to out me or something?
No,
Hello.
Hello there.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, hello, Faith. Hi. How are you?
I'm not bad, thanks. How are you doing?
No bad, man. Just sitting, chilling, talking about rubbish, talking about crap.
You're still causing it, Masters.
Just who's that? Do you know me?
I
You
do,
know me
yes.
in real life?
Yes.
No way. Who is it?
It's been a while.
Is this
Is
a
it?
good thing or a bad thing?
Oh no! And here we go.
I don't know. I mean, it depends how he takes it.
Right.
Right, okay. I'll leave you to it.
Is it an X?
Eh?
Was it an X?
It could be.
Oh no!
Oh,
I'm in trouble. Right, tell me. Right,
I'll give you
give me a
a
give me a
clue.
hint so you don't have to give your name away. Obviously,
That's
but
fine. We'll not give away any information. But what I will say is this ex
Mhm.
can sing.
Can you?
well, you can
Aye.
sing.
Oh my God! Don't even say
What,
this.
you know?
Don't even say that. Don't even say this.
What do you mean by sing? There's two ways to that.
Can
Sing,
actually
sing.
sing. Can
I know who.
actually.
Did I live with you somewhere?
Yes,
It's not you.
it is.
Like the way you said that, it's not you. I bet you can it is.
Don't say this, man. Who is- You're
You
freaking.
know it is, sorry. Ken's a folk up up there.
How
You
many
know it
years
is.
has it been? How many years?
Probably about 17.
Wow. That's a long time.
All right, aye. She's on to it.
My God, that's a long time, dude.
What you doing with your life? Are you all right?
Aye, I am all right. What about you?
She's still thinking about you, Masters.
Still think. Shut your hole, you friggin'
No,
bitch.
sorry, I'm just being a wee Raj, by the way. Just
Right,
We've
ignore me.
moved on. We've moved
Excuse-
on to then. Come on, you behave yourself.
I'm just being a Raj, by the way. Just,
When
um,
have you got a life now?
Obviously, I've got a life. I'm not talking to you if you're beyond the grave.
have you got like moved on?
Did
You
you mean
get
have I
kids?
moved on?
You get kids?
I've not got kids though. Well, my pets are my kids.
Aye, right, I get you.
that's a love.
No way, man. I can't
Aye,
You got
believe.
way,
cats.
man.
Why have you jumped on? Why have you done this?
What do you mean by that? Just been a nosy bastard.
Oh no!
Every chance knows you.
Does
You
it
got
But
start?
cats up.
Does
You
it
got
start?
cats up.
Is the second one M in the name?
is the what?
Like your name, your
You're
first
saying
name?
with M.
Gonna use who see you your gab shite in the middle. Stop
Oh,
talking
sorry,
about it.
sorry. I'll let you go. Go,
That's,
go, go.
that's no way.
Aye.
Is it? You who I think it is.
Well, have how
College, we went to college together.
no, we've never went to college together,
Not
no.
college together, but did we stay together?
For a very unfortunate brief time, yes.
Right. What is that when I went into prison?
Eh, what time was that?
Fuck those. There's been that many. Who is it? Stop having me up.
You know who it is? Stop acting the fanny.
What? I'm still dumbfounded. What you doing to me, man? Don't that. Oh no. She's going to say something and bam me up here. Right, who
No,
is it?
I'm not gonna say it to bam you up. I'm much more mature than that. Fuck's sake.
I'm getting nervous for you, bro.
Oh no. I'm sitting here
No,
like fucking.
don't be nervous. Don't be
I,
nervous. I'll just let you waffle on. There's no need to be nervous.
I'm still trying to look.
Listen, right, I'll just take it in.
Right, so give me some clues. Right, so was it Glasgow?
Well,
Or was it
Masters, how many of your exes could sing?
exactly?
Oh, that's the clue. There you go.
No,
Exactly. Well, there was one.
I know.
That was your girl.
I love you.
Oh,
Still.
Oh my
bless you.
God.
Bless you.
Do you
Bless you, pal.
bless
This is
me,
getting
bless me. Have you got a boyfriend? Have you got a husband? I hope you have. Do you know something? I really do. I've been trying to look. I've been trying to search for you.
I
I
don't
can't.
do social media, Masters.
I know. I was wondering how I can find you.
Nah, I don't do social media. But no, I have, obviously, it's been years, you know what I mean? I have obviously moved on, you know what I mean? Fuck's sake.
Have
This
you
is class, by the way.
have you got kids and that settled in? That's what I was wanting. Just want to know. You
Eh,
settled in?
I've been in serious relationships,
Right. No,
as you do.
Imagine you
As you do.
fucking what man? Things could have been a lot different.
Aye, but it wasn't meant to be, was it? We were
No,
very young at the time.
I
Very
know you. Aye,
well. I was young. You were 7 years older than me.
I know. And remember we worked. Did we work in the park together?
A what?
Did we work in the park together?
No, I did, and you did like one shift.
So what did you daft?
One
You're saying that, You're saying that,
One
I remember I robbed it.
He did.
Oh my
I
god.
robbed it.
Seriously, did you? Did you like
He did.
fucking one shift and you robbed the place? My god, that's something, eh?
Fuck. Oh my god, I can't believe you jumped on. Wait till I tell my mum.
Oh, how is wee Annie?
Oh, for fuck's sake, is you? Your voice has changed.
Well, I'm kind of like 17 years older. What do you expect?
No.
That's all I'm singing, man. It's changed our voice.
My mum's alright. She's alright, aye. We're not going into that. She's getting old. It's one of the ones.
Mate, go and cut me off. I think the two of you should talk together, bro.
I know in here. No,
Just
I can't
put me in the
believe
background today. Put me in the background, son. You can have a wee chat.
What, after all these years? Fuck's sake, man.
It's a new year. I thought I'd say Happy New Year. And
Happy
whatnot.
New Year when the bells come.
That's just fucking awesome, man.
Yes, what a singer, man. How did you get on with singing? Did you end up getting a career at it?
What do you mean? You would have heard about me by now if that was the case.
Aye, but remember when you were on telly and everything, fuck's sake?
That was like 20 years ago.
Remember, I was so proud of you, but
Aye.
it was amazing, man. Can't believe it, man. No way, you've just blew my mind, man. Have you seen me on this jumping about like a pure tit?
I've seen a couple of things and I was like, wow, man, that he's no changed. He's still a twat.
Nah, you've just been himself, haven't you?
I'm never going to change. For no cut, you know that?
What's your best song that you sing?
What's that?
What's her best song that she sings?
You could sing anything, man. Anything.
Anything.
He's not going to do it on this, fuck's sake, man.
No.
This
No, I
fucking-
wasn't going to ask her, like, but I just thought that's the song.
We've got 84 people and I can't believe you've jumped on. No way, man.
Is this the quietest you've heard this?
Aye, I'm dumbfounded. I'm like, what?
It's the quietest I've been, by the way.
Together. Moan at each other. Because
So
I was better at my job than you.
What job?
I remember working in the call centre.
You
The
mean
one
that?
that worked Land Rover.
Aye, I was better at it and she moaned at me and she used to hate me for it. Because I ended up the manager. Remember?
Are you talking about I quit because it was crap?
Nah, you quit because it was crap. Right?
It was trying to sell
over.
kitchens. Trying to sell kitchens for a
running
£5 an hour.
I was
No way.
I can't believe this, man. This is mental. Blast for the past, my girl. I love you, man.
And do you know why you did better at that, Chris? Because you're better at lying than I'm what I'm.
Oh! Boom!
Boom.
Aye, take that. There's one there. There's one for your fucking pipe and smoke it. I was a liar.
Yeah, I'm fucking sitting here trying myself what's coming next.
I was a liar. I'm not now.
Listen,
I've changed.
I'm not that kind of person that's going to start divulging a lot of crap on this. That's not my style.
Nah, I know that. I know that, sweetheart.
So,
I'm just glad to hear your voice, man. It's
so
amazing.
how long ago did the Rocky boy pass?
Rocky, how did you see the dog here?
No,
Let me see what I said picture of him.
no, I don't, because it'll make me sad.
Alright, I know. He passed about 6-7 years ago.
Oh man,
And I was in the jail. I was in the fucking jail.
That's
Again.
a
Nah, it was a sorry.
No,
Right, I heard.
Only time I cried in jail, man. And I cried and all the boys were like, Masters is greeting. I was like, they wonder. And then my mate was like, fucking leave my lane, these fucking dogs died.
Was he no well?
Man, that day. No.
The only time I cried in jail was because my ex, she wouldn't leave me. Oh, no, sorry, I'm joking, by the way. I'm joking.
So, was he no
See that
well?
last year right there? It was solid to me. I fucked it.
Did you steal taps and shit?
Aye.
Yeah, at the kitchens.
Aye. Aye. Fuck you.
Right, so was
That
he
how
no
you got
well?
fired? Because I never got a full kitchen.
Right, Faith, tell me what's
Oh,
happening.
sorry.
Was he no well when you were in the jail?
No, what happened was, see, before I got to jail, man, he was fucking, it was like it had a tumour, I think, and it started growing.
Oh, man.
I knew, but I didn't want to tell my mum. You know what I mean? Because I knew it was a tumour, I could tell. So I'm no dogs, I'm not daft.
So then what?
And then I got to jail, and then fucking my mum had to get put down because his back legs went.
Oh, fuck's sake, dude.
You know what I mean? It was, he looked as if he was too fat, right? But it was definitely the tumour. Do you know what I mean? So he needed put down.
He was an absolute brilliant dog.
It was,
I love him, man.
it was the best, man.
Sad as fuck, that.
It was best dog. 17 years, 16, it's like 16 years. 16
Wow.
years, man.
That's a long time, bro.
He had a tough start with your pals.
Aye. I know.
But
People don't realise, do they? No.
no.
Daddy,
Big up, Steph.
mate, I grew up with older boys, mate, and I know the score, you know. We've all got a pass, bro. That's it.
Man, speaking to you. Break my heart, man.
Why?
So we all change in life, mate. We all grow up with.
Oh, I know, but fuck's sake, it wasn't my fault, man.
You're right, son. Keep the chin up, mate.
Aye. Oh, what, man?
What were you saying wasn't your fault? What are you talking about?
When all that happened at your door, it wasn't my fault. Do you know he's dead? Who tried to shoot us?
What
He died
the one that stayed in the other flat or the same one?
It's one that's died in another flat dead. Aye. He's dead. He died in fucking socked in jail there.
Oh, it's a shame
So,
he's got kids in it.
I know,
I know you're saying it's not your fault. Obviously, we don't want to talk about stuff like this, but you know, they when you came to the door, had you know associated with them? Do you get what I'm saying?
Aye, I know.
If you just kept yourself to yourself and kept out of bother, then that might have helped.
It would have, 100%.
But you just seemed to just attract trouble wherever you went back then, to be honest.
Young and naive, to be honest. That's what it is.
Man. Alright, after you run about me, fucking doing my nothing.
So you should have moved.
It's a fucking shot, man. Right in the head with a fucking shotgun. That's what I should have done.
No, I don't
Fucking
think so.
I should have.
Nah,
So you could
that
have
wouldn't
got
have helped.
See, that's why they did the fucking bombs. I'll forgive, but I'll not forget. Fucking dafties.
Okay, we were young, so it is what it is, know what I mean?
I have to get into situations like that, mate. I couldn't get away from all the older cunts I used to cut about with. I couldn't get away from them. It's like, that's life, eh? It's the way it goes, you know?
Well, the brothers, fuck's sake. And they were at my door every 10 minutes. Fucking doing my box. If you go to Sugar, if you go to this, if you go to that, fuck off.
I'm never away, mate. I know.
Fucking bob
It's just part of growing up.
You probably should have moved sooner, to be fair.
It's the fucking leather, man. That's what I should have done. 100% Faith. I still let she talk to you now, thinking about it, man. I still kept man on right. Remember, I put my hand through the window. They all ran like fuck that day. Then I had my mop at high court and everything, the fucking roasters. And I hope you are listening.
I said, at least you understand that now, mate. Like, that's learning, you know?
Mm.
At least you've learned that.
Older, fucking wiser.
You just got to move on now, son.
That's it. It's just a shock. Whoa. You know what I mean? I hope you're doing well, man.
I'm just getting on with it, as you do.
You still in Glasgow or like are you still in the visit there? I don't know why you're over here.
No, I'm no longer. I don't stay where that
Right.
place anymore. No.
Good. Thank fuck. You should have been out there. You should have been out there. Well before that. Me moving there was fucking mental.
You done the sensible thing and got out of there, you know?
Fuck, see, I nearly trying to get in and go and see my woman. I was having to fight to get in the fucking close. Fucking
Aye, but
hell.
remember that they only knew you because you got yourself involved. We need to remember that.
I had to sit in the lift with him. When I'm a guy, you don't know what it's like being a guy.
Peer pressure, mate.
Pressure for us.
Just ignore.
See the lifts and the flats, man. Honestly, you're like, if you have a fight with one person, you see them every fucking day. Do you know what I mean? You can't avoid them.
Mm.
It's a bad cycle, bro.
Yeah,
It's a bad cycle.
See that Dafty, he went missing. And
Well, it was nearly 20 years ago, so.
He went missing and then he get fun, but he did get fun. Shouldn't he get fun, but he's lucky that's all he got.
Anyway, I hope this random hello hasn't upset you.
It's not upset me, it's just I'm just I had a wee tear there because talking about Rocky, stuff like that, that's all.
I know.
I'm glad to hear you're well, that's the main thing. And I hope you're happy. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. No, that's fair enough.
You want to talk to me? If you want to talk to me, get me on. You don't use social media, don't you know?
No.
Do you want to talk to me?
I think like having a wee private chat and stuff's probably no the way to go, but I didn't mind coming on saying hello to you like with other people on as well, do you know what I mean?
Since I'm a celebrity now.
A celebrity, yeah, you're right. Zealous.
Yeah, I'm a celebrity.
Does that mean you're a celebrity? Now that I'm on.
Well, more than hell, maybe then.
Do you think every cunt will notice me at court tomorrow?
I know he's getting caught tomorrow.
Wow.
I'm still being a wee lad, yeah.
You're getting a fine tomorrow. What are you talking about?
Nah, my record now is sporadic, eh? I'm not causing trouble all the time.
To the judge says, look, guy, don't worry, mate.
Oh, she'll turn in the morning and say, oh, it's just sporadic now, pal. I'll let you off. Thanks.
I can't believe you've jumped on. What the fuck you jumped? What are you doing it bad?
I'm even finding it fucking mad, like crazy.
Masters, it's been nearly 20 years. I thought you'd be at it by now.
Never. I've never hit you. Ever. You mental.
No.
You must be. You thought the thing out.
But it's been 20 years.
So?
But almost 20 years. You've obviously just not met anybody since then that's...
I have. I have had the relationships that I've lasted, but...
No, I mean...
Like you, like it was never the same. It was always, nah, fuck off.
No, the same feelings, eh?
Yeah.
Sorry, I had to put that.
But you know, obviously, you know yourself the ins and outs, but me and you are merely friends and anything else. Do you know what I mean?
No, you kept saying that when I'm in prison. Why did you keep saying that to me?
I didn't keep saying that to you.
I'm going to dig you up because you've jumped on, so you get dig up, right? So,
but I never said that to you.
You kept saying to me, you were with me, and then you weren't with me, then you were with me, then you weren't with me, because obviously you were paranoid about going to court. I understand that, right? But I was with you, man.
Please don't talk about court, bro.
We
I'm fucking stressing you, man.
I'm talking about the other thing. I was with you with that. You steamed ahead. And you know you did.
Masters, we were more like friends and you know it.
More like friends. Are you mental?
No.
Well, you tattooed my name on your back.
When
Is
I
that
was
being friends?
when I was 16 or 17-year-old.
You weren't that age.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't.
I was under the legal age. I had to lie about my age to get it.
No, you did. I
Yes,
did.
I did. 17-year-old.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
You were 18.
I was 17.
Well, that is what it is.
And then I got it covered
I know why.
because you. I don't want to get into it in front of people, but if you're asking me why, because you weren't a good boyfriend, Masters. You were terrible.
No.
You were selfish. You never took me anywhere. You never done nothing ways. You never took me a single place. Never ever took me out for dinner. Never ever took me to pictures. Never went an overnight stay. Everything just revolved around you and your problems.
Well, then that's it then. That's the way it is.
And after about 6 months of being together, we weren't even sleeping together anymore. So what do you expect? We were friends more than anything. Well, friends that one-sided friendship, because it's not like you were doing much for me, apart from giving me trouble.
Can I be honest? This is not how you put up on social media.
No, but he's
Yes.
asking,
Yes.
you know, I'm saying to him, no eh?
Steph, excuse me, mate. I'm going to knock you off, right? Because I need to talk to
Aye,
you, right?
please, aye.
Right, Faith, listen. I was younger. I had a lot on my plate, and you know I did. We all
Yeah.
had fannies, right? So, like, it was just so things are meant to be. You know what I mean?
Aye, but you got to remember I was 7 years younger than you. I was still in school when I met you.
I know, but I fucking it. And what?
What do you mean what?
And what? I was young. Fuck's sake, it wasn't as if I was fucking a fucking.
But you were
Nothing wrong.
23 and you'd had more of a life than me in that way. I didn't even smoke, you know what I mean? Or drink or nothing.
No, so you blame me for so what? Do you smoke now?
No.
But I know you don't. So you didn't smoke, didn't drink, didn't do anything. So
I'm just saying that you can't be like, no, we're not just friends. We weren't acting like a couple. Like I say, we didn't do anything together.
what do you mean? Hold on now. Every time I asked you to do stuff, you wouldn't do it.
Like what?
Like, well, I would ask you to do it. So right. So we didn't go to the rest together. We didn't go to the.
We went to the rest and I paid
Well,
for my
I
wages for
didn't
the
have
ice
money
cream
that day.
van. My wages for the ice cream van paid for the rest.
So I did. Right, you try to tell me that if you've come on here tonight, right, to tell me that I didn't work in that ice cream van. Is
You
that what
worked
you're
for nice for 1 day and you stole and that was it, like you said.
one day? Is that what you're trying to say? You on here to ban me?
No.
So what you saying? I worked 1 day and
You didn't like it.
I worked 1 day. No, I didn't. I worked for fucking a couple of weeks and then I packed it in.
That's not how I remember it, Masters.
So, well, you remember that Sordy did then. I'm not.
It wasn't. You weren't there long anyway. I remember that much
I
because
wasn't
you
there
didn't
long.
like it.
No, because she was bamming us up. Fuck's sake.
Aye, but I'm just saying, don't make it out as if there was this and that when we both know it wasn't. Do you know what I mean?
Right, so it was all my fault. But was that right? So you're saying it's all that was my fault, was it? Aye.
Well, what about it was my fault?
But what about it was my fault then?
Did I bring trouble to you?
So I brought trouble to you.
You brought
How
trouble
did
in my door. You brought trouble in my door.
I was fighting with a cunt in the close because you threw me out?
Why did I throw you out?
Era fucking porn mag.
Because you were bringing trouble to my door with Ned's
Era porn
for
mag
the
for
flat.
my records that my mate had put in the fucking records.
No, it was because you were causing trouble. And I'd never had trouble in my door ever.
Oh well, then you want to watch when I fucked off then? You know what I mean?
Well, it should have happened a lot sooner. I'm sure you agree. Or did you know? Or do you think it should have just carried on for another
I
5
don't
years?
know. But you were the man that was I'm with you. I'm no with you. I'm with you. I'm no with you. I'm no with you. I was like, what?
Well,
And
obviously, when you care about
you were doing it
somebody,
here. You done it to me in jail. You were saying, I'm no way you, but I'm visiting you. And I'm like,
I
know what
don't
I mean?
think so. I don't
Aye,
think
you did. You did.
no.
So what? So if you ask Anna, she'll tell you.
She wasn't there, you know.
How would she know? She wasn't there. She couldn't make it up to Bellini. That's why.
Right, so therefore she wouldn't know what conversation was had.
Let's not have this conversation.
Well, you're the one. If you're the one saying things, I'm not going to let you just say things that are not true.
I'm not going to let you sit there and berate me. I was nice to you. I loved you.
You were nice to me.
So I didn't love you. You saying I didn't love you. So why are
But
you on here then?
everybody's
Why are
got a
you on
fucking
here then if I didn't love you?
Masters. I don't care if
I
you did or
loved
you
you,
didn't.
and I still do.
Right.
Right?
Everybody's got their own way of showing love, I guess.
Aye, well, I'm a party person. You know that.
Just to me, what I've learned, like obviously
But look,
since
see, at the
then,
end of the day, I
what?
grew up in Govan Hall. What do you want? Fuck's sake, man. Know what I mean?
Right.
Up in the fucking Bronx.
I had nothing else to compare it to. Obviously, you're my first boyfriend, so I had nothing else to compare it to. I didn't know how I should have been treated or what I deserved or what I didn't at that age. Do you know what I mean?
Right. Well, neither did I. I was fucking running about fucking chopping cunts up.
But you'd had relationships before me.
No, who, when? I was daft birds that had went me for maybe a night or maybe a week. And fucking
No, the one that you were.
Jennifer, well, I was with Jen for about a year. That's it. You're the
Right,
one.
and
You're the one
what
that was
about the
with.
one whose name begins with A?
No, she was a fucking. I done that to annoy you.
No, that was a serious one until it wasn't.
I done that to fucking bam you up.
You did what do you mean you did what to annoy me? What are you talking about?
Because you kept saying you weren't with me, right? So I says, fair enough, eh?
No,
You're not with
are
me.
you tripping? Are you tripping right now? Your girlfriend that you had for years who
All right,
stayed in the
aye. You mean?
what?
No, aye,
Yeah, so
aye,
therefore, yeah.
aye, I know.
Mm-hmm.
Aye, but I was a wee guy then. That was stupid.
I know. But what I'm saying is that the 7 year between us, there was different experiences. Do you get what I'm saying?
I get that, I know, but we're older now. Where do you know?
7 years younger than you.
Right, so it is. Wait, you know what I do?
Oh, come on, man. 7 year younger. Work it out.
Aye, fuck's sake. Well, you're a woman, aren't you? And I'm a
Yes.
man.
But obviously, since then, the 20 year, obviously, we've had different relationships, and I've learned, you know, how what I want for a person and what what I deserve and things like that when I'm with somebody. I've been shown
Well,
like
that's good.
proper
I'm
love.
off all that. Well, that's good.
Do you know what I mean?
Fantastic. That's fantastic for you, Faith. Oh, fuck's sake, man. What am I meant to say?
Don't need to say anything.
You know I love you.
I don't know that, and I don't need to
Are
know
you
that.
fucking, are you day?
I didn't know it then, and I don't know it now.
Come on, man.
Come on, no. But listen, I know I've seen how a guy treats me when he genuinely loves me, and it's like night and day compared to what it was with
We
us.
sat there bringing you flowers and saying, imagine me
No,
doing that.
making an effort,
Imagine,
making an effort, nothing to do with flowers because that's not me.
but
Showing
I
just
did buy
showing
you
love,
flowers. I did buy.
be-
I used to buy you flowers.
being considerate and loving and making an effort and being thoughtful and doing things for you without having to be asked and just showing a lot of respect. I mean, that's love, isn't it?
True, but I wasn't feeling it for you. You were.
You weren't feeling it for me,
Aye.
really. The
At the
fact that
end, aye.
the fact that for the age of 16 to 21, I could have been out there partying and doing whatever, and I could have been with a guy or meeting up with guys who would maybe wanted to go and do stuff with
Oh,
me.
so you could have met fucking Tom Cruise. Sorry,
Took me
I'm sorry.
nice.
You meet Tom Cruise. Would you want me to do? A fucking star jump with
I don't
speedos in?
I don't
What?
like Tom Cruise either. I don't like Tom Cruise, so that's a shite comparison.
No, I know you like me, Chrissy Masters. Are you been a on here?
I don't know you.
Aye, you do.
I don't know you anymore. It's been 20 years.
You don't know me. I'm the same guy.
Well, that's
I'm the same guy.
interesting.
I'm a chill guy. Believe it or not. It's all theatre. It's showbiz, baby.
Well, don't let it go to your head, because if it was any exes in a live stream, I'd be fucking popping on.
So you would.
But I'm being serious. I was having a wee nosy parade. That's me being completely honest.
Because it's went viral.
What do you mean it's went viral?
It's went viral, my channel, almost.
How would I know I'm not on social media?
So how the fuck? So how you're on social media right now?
Aye, but I'm not on like Instagram, Facebook.
You've
I'm
no
not-
changed. You've no changed.
I'm not subscribed or anything like that. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, you've no sub to me. I'll be
What?
right for you, man. You've no sub to me.
I'm not 78 every day. It's not my style.
How is your style?
I don't do that whole following and subbing crap. I just can't be doing it.
You've not changed.
Oh, I've definitely changed.
Not the way you're talking.
However, I will say that I've changed in the sense that I've got kind of more standards for myself. I'd say that.
All right, so what, I broke you down. Is that what you're saying?
Do you want
Is that right?
the honest answer or the polite
The honest,
answer?
I want the honest answer, aye.
For 16 to 21, it was extremely distressing for me. That's me being honest. I felt like I had to grow up before my time to be with you because of the amount of stress and the hassle that it was.
Well, it was your big sister. It let us, know what I mean? It was a
What?
bit hard. Your big sister let us stay at her house, remember?
Aye, that was only for a couple of nights while I was babysitting.
But it wasn't as if it was one of the things. It was just,
It was not a good relationship. You've got to be able to admit that.
no.
What?
Nope.
How can you know? We didn't do anything together.
You fucked it. You fucked it.
How?
Because you didn't wait. And I don't want to say why. I told you to wait, speak to me. You asked me to leave my work. And you wanted me, and you know what I'm talking about?
And you weren't interested because you wanted to pursue your DJing career. Do you remember that?
No.
Yeah, I remember. I remember very well.
So what? So you had, so you didn't want me to make money for what was could happen?
No, you weren't interested in that because you wanted to pursue your DJing career.
You really believe that?
I was interested at the time. Then I
You
really
were
thought
like
about
singing.
it.
You were
Do you know,
singing.
do you know the one thing that
You were singing. But you
do
were
you know the
singing.
one
and
thing
you
that
were doing-
really I'm speaking, Masters.
Right.
The one thing that really
My name's Chris.
well, I'm calling you Masters because that's
No.
how it is.
Is it? Well, I'll call you by your name then, if you want me.
Well, nobody calls you by your first name too, but I've seen in the comments they say your last name.
Aye, so call me Chris. Have a bit of respect for me.
They
fuck's
just
sake.
right, put it
Loved
aside.
you.
Even
Fuck's sake.
though I was
I
only
loved
that
you.
age,
I
even though I was
fucking
only that
loved you,
age,
and you know I loved you.
even though I was only that age, maybe I would have wanted to have any third party involved,
Look,
bringing
what was
it
happening today?
bringing
Some
it
fucking
into
staff, they came to the door and they get shot. End
bringing
of.
bringing innocent people into a shitty situation is not what I'd
You
want.
think that shite hole? What would you want me to do? Cunts trying to shoot me, fucking trying to stab me.
Nobody bothered me until you came along.
Right, obviously, but it's because of my name, where I grew up. Fuck, I can't
They
help
wouldn't
it.
have known that if you didn't tell them.
Every cunt knows me. Everybody knew me down there.
Nobody knew you.
Every cunt knows me down there.
Until you told them, nobody knew who you were.
Oh my god. Right, nobody knew who I was, but right.
They knew it because you told them.
Right, no bother.
Because you couldn't help yourself.
Right. Right, I told them. So I didn't grow up with one of the boys, no?
No.
How? Aye, I did. I don't want to say his name because he's passed away. Aye, I did. I grew up with him. Fuck's sake, we done everything together.
I mean, that's not what I heard, but fair enough.
Did you not know that?
No, I was told something completely different.
I'm not talking about the one, not the one that I done the thing with.
But don't start try to use things as an excuse when things were already crap before that, and they would have been even more crap before that, and they would have been even more crap after. So,
Right.
best thing to be done. It's just unfortunate that it happened in the first place.
That's life. That's just life, Faith. That's life. What do you want me to do? My name's Chris, no God. But guess what? I've found God.
That's good.
Aye.
But it sounds like you've still yet to take accountability for your inactions.
Right. You're on here telling me off.
I'm not telling you. I'm just saying
You're right, though.
you're still in denial. That's what I'm saying.
I'm not in denial. What denial? What do you want me to say?
Everything you
We
struggle
were
to
young.
take.
Twos were young, man, and fucking full of cum. What do you want me to say?
Nah, I wasn't.
Aye.
Even though you were 7 years older, I was definitely the more sensible one in that equation.
I know you were. And you still up. Fuck, what do you want me to say?
I'm just saying you keep deflecting a lot. You've still no said aye.
See, you're doing it in front. You're doing, but right. I've got credibility here. Right, they want me to sit here and just crumble.
No,
in
but
front of
don't just say nothing then rather than lie. That's all I'm going to say.
just say nothing and then no say. But you've done it in the wrong way, man.
Done what in the wrong way?
If you try to why are you contacting me through this?
To say hello.
Right, I'm going to
What's
put my
wrong
back.
with that? I wouldn't care if
I'll
it's
put
the
my
other way
number
around.
in
I
the
wouldn't
back
care.
chat. Do you know how to use it?
The what?
I'll put my number in the back chat. Take it. I want to talk to you.
I'm not giving my number to anybody.
Welfare does.
Unless you want me to phone you for a withheld number.
What's that?
I says unless you want me to phone you for a withheld number.
Aye. Right, hang on, I'll give you the number. 2 seconds to get the number. Shit, man, I feel as if I've been told off. I'm a school teacher, man.
You've not been told off. I'm just not going to listen to bullshit, Chris.
Can you not laugh? Can you not laugh, man? Laugh.
It's hard to laugh about like that kind of shit.
I know. Don't think I've got to live it, remember? You've got to live it. Anyway. Fuck's that phone. Hold on 2 seconds. Right, I get the number, that's the one, man. Yeah. 2 seconds, it's a new number. How are you anyway? You alright?
Aye.
Good. Better place where you're now, aye?
Yeah.
Was there any trouble when I left?
No,
They stayed away, aye?
100%.
Did you see that big fucking nugget when you were on me? On it, like you doing the lift?
No, it's been years anyway since I was.
Aye. I was worried about that. I'm trying to find this number. Fuck me, man. You just blew my mind, man. Like, but what?
You could have just kicked me out if you didn't want to chat. And I wouldn't have been offended at all.
I want to kick you. I want to chat to you.
I know, but as long as you know that chatting it's just a chat and that's what it is. Do you know what I mean?
I know. I need to talk to you. We need to talk anyway. I just want to know you're alright. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake, man. I'm out of texts in this phone, man. Fuck
If
me.
you go Snapchat,
No, I don't use that shit. Just use YouTube, man. Fucking, and I've got a Facebook, but hold on. Give me my number. It's better. Hold on. It should be here somewhere. I'll do this. You can't find numbers, man. It should be easy to find your own number. Fucking hell.
Sorry, if it's one of your burner phones, it doesn't matter.
It is. I can't find this now. Just hold on. Yeah. Fuck's sake. It's actually no. It's my real number. It is. I swear to God. Where the fuck's your number, man? See you, man. You fucked my heat, man. I've just had a joint. That's what you used to hate. See you, because I smoked hash. You used to do your nothing. You hated it.
Why would I like it?
I know. But it's like everything, like you pure. Everything pure. You know what I mean? Everything I done was like sin. And you were like,
Well, it kind of was, to be fair.
oh, you know what I mean? It's like everything you done. You didn't drink, you didn't smoke, you didn't, you know what I mean? You didn't do fuck all. I was like, I smoke, I drink, I take drugs, I'm fucked. So you've got to see from my fucking point of view as well.
That's all I did when I was with you, see your point of view.
Aye. You don't see it now, no? Do you think I've changed? You must have been watching me.
I can tell you right now, I've not watched you this evening came in.
So how did you end up noticing me? But did you come up on the feed or something?
No, I think I typed in DJ Cyrus,
Sorry,
and then it came up saying live. So I thought, oh, I'll have a nosy.
Right.
And I wasn't going to say it in the first. I was just going
Are you singing, no? Are you still singing at all for it?
Sometimes I've not really pursued it the way I should.
I know. I told you this. You could have smashed it, man. Smashed it. You still can.
I know.
Where the fuck is this number? Hold on. Fucking hell, man. He's pure fucking mashed after that. Oh, what? Oh no, I've always talking shit. Banging each other up, man, and then you pop up. Fucking no.
I like to be spontaneous.
You've always done this.
What do you mean always done this?
You always pop up at the most inappropriate moments.
So when was the last time I popped up?
When I jumped in the cupboard.
What?
When I jumped in the cupboard years ago. I said, "Can I?" Remember?
When you jumped in the cupboard?
Aye, when we stayed in Blair Hall.
You mean I went in the cupboard?
Aye, actually, you were in the cupboard.
Aye, and
I can see you. I was away. Aye, and
and we'll not go into.
Aye, I know what I was doing.
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, I've not touched that in years, by the way.
No, just other stuff.
Aye. You know the script. Anyway, everybody knows the script. I've told my story. Yeah, I'll get the. This number, man. I don't fucking find that. You know, just give me your number.
No,
How
absolutely not.
so you can manipulate me?
No, I don't do manipulation. I'm saying I spoke.
You're right.
What do you mean I right?
Forget I know you.
Right, you know me when I was 20-year-old.
So I start. Doesn't matter.
You don't know anything about me, what's happened in my life since then. I'm a
No,
very
no,
different person.
you don't know nothing what's happened to me.
Exactly, that's why I'm not pretending that I do.
But
Mr. Presumptuous.
you fucking answer for them, didn't you? How can I not find this number, man?
Because you're not meant to.
I am. I've got to find it. Just wait. Got a tune on. No, I'm kidding, man. Yeah, I find this. Why the fuck's it? There it's here. Got it right. Right. There you go. Anybody else phones me and I'm going to slap the shit out of you, right? So don't look in the back chat, and I fucking mean it.
Has nobody been commenting?
No, I think that probably aye. They will be saying all sorts now. I mean, this woman's worth more than fucking any use, man. Right there. I was lucky to have you. I fucked it.
It wasn't meant to be, you know what I mean?
Aye, well, that's life, isn't it? You're young, stupid, aren't you? You grow up, but and realise. Yeah. Can you see in the back chat, aye? You have to go into the back chat, aye. Can you see it? Yeah. Because this is our new laptop, man. Right. Can you see in the back chat?
No, I can't see it. No.
You have to go into the back chat. Right, so what you do is, right, you should have, the way it should show on your phone, it should say private chat or comments. So go into the back, there it is. Can you see it?
Hold on, what do I click on?
Right, see the view on your phone. Right, so you'll be a guest, right? So there's a, go to see where all the comments are, go to all the icons. Go to there's comments in the private chat. But
Oh, right, aye. Right.
see it, you see it now, aye?
Right.
Then I'll end this.
Right.
Right, no worries.
Right.
I'll talk to you soon.
Right.
Right, Trips, thank you for joining us tonight. Big up the chat, we had a good laugh tonight. Sorry about the end there. We blessed with the past. So that's what it is. Big up everybody. A cockerel. Big up there. Right, anyway, I'm going to end this. See you later, Trips. God bless. Right there.